Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bhavya, and today I thought of filming a video. I know it's been a little long, but I thought of filming a video on the general things that I do, which is mostly hair care and hair coloring. And I've seen a lot of response on specifically hair coloring and hair care videos on this channel. So I'm gonna be continuing that because that's what you guys have been loving. And generally my videos come every 2 to 3 months because that's the amount of time I give to my hair. Because I think every 2 to 3 months of hair coloring is fine for your hair because beach mein they get the time to heal. So your hair also needs space to heal through those months of the chemicals that try to ruin your hair. So I was going through all the comments that I received from all of you, and most of the comments were asking about stuff like is this particular hair color damaging, or is this particular hair color staying for a longer time, and how to do the aftercare of your hair after you've colored your hair, how to take care of your hair and stuff like that. So I thought this is also important. It's not just about coloring your hair. आपको उसके बाद का भी you have to have a whole routine to take care of hair. वरना you can see a million videos on Instagram and on YouTube that tell you that consecutively coloring your hair can lead to severe damage to your hair, and if you do not take care of it in the beginning, it's gonna ruin your life. So I'm gonna be answering a lot of questions and a lot of things that I do to take care of my hair so that my hair looks like this. Today's video is gonna be mostly about how I take care of my hair, what products I use, what products I natural or artificial, what kind of products I use, what chemicals I use on my skin, what kind of conditioner, serum, etc. It's all gonna be a part of this video. So yes, let's get into the part of this video. So today I'm gonna be showing like a bunch of products that I swear by to keep my hair healthy, stronger and longer. So yeah. And something I would like to say in general is that you can see that my hair is more towards straight and a little bit of wavy because of the layers or steps that I have. So this video could be specifically for people who have wavy or straight hair, because there's certain set of products that work differently for curly haired women or curly haired people. So I think this video will be strictly for people who have straight hair. So yes, that's something I'd like to mention. Okay, so first and the most asked question in the comment section is कि क्या hair color damaging होता है, क्या hair color से बाल frizzy हो जाते हैं, damage हो जाते हैं, dull लगते हैं. So the answer to that question is yes. अगर आप recurringly, अगर आप consecutively हर कुछ महीने में hair color use करते हो, so yes, your hair color, your hair quality will start to look like it's damaged, it's frizzy, it's untangled, like it's tangled and all of that. It will look like that. तो हाँ, ऐसा होता है, but there are ways of preventing that, and that is all about aftercare. So if you are somebody who uses hair color every 2 months or every month, there are certain people who get graying easily. So this is for them. जिनको भी ग्रेइंग दिखता है, थोड़ा बहुत टच अप कराने का उनका रूटीन रहता है. For those people, you will have to take care a lot of your hair. Try and keep your hair in a healthier ponytail, maybe like a low ponytail, which is not like too tight. Don't use hairstyles that are too tight for your hair or too too strict for your hair. Don't do that. Don't create those high buns, because if you're at home and if you create those high buns, it's gonna it's gonna tighten, like it stretches out the roots of your hair, and then that causes breakage in turn. So that's something I don't recommend. And you can use a silk bonnet. That is something a lot of people do. So when you sleep, or when you're just not doing anything important, or you're not going anywhere important and you're at home, you can just use a silk bonnet and like wrap up your hair in it, and then it's gonna be safer for a longer while. The second thing is like a general tip. If you like to, if you don't like to cut your hair too much, or you want to keep them longer and healthier and voluminous, you have to take care of your hair a lot. And for that, there are certain products that I swear by, because even I color my hair every 3 to 4 months. So, and my hair looks pretty much like this. So as of now, I can tell you that my hair isn't damaged, because I use the Maleic Bond complex that you can use for this purpose. it is not just for taming dry hair or just colored hair. It is for any sort of damage. It could be because of some treatments from the parlor. If you've got keratin, if you've got something else and you feel like your bonds have been broken and your hair has more breakage than before, you can use this product, which is the Minimalist Maleic Bond Complex. I think this bottle is literally empty and I've bought my second bottle. It covers up around 2 to 3 months. This is like 2 to 3 months of product. So yes, it's been 6 months that I'll be using these two products, and I swear by this. It's a pre-shampoo treatment and you have to leave it on for like about an hour. Just apply it on your strands. You don't have to apply it on your scalp, and this might feel a little sticky to you in the beginning, but whenever you wash your hair, you will feel like there is more smoothness when you like work your hands out through the hair. So this is the kind of results that this product gives you, and this is something that you can swear by. It retails for around 499 rupees, and you can always get it for like around 10 to 20% off on Nykaa and on the Minimalist website as well. So this is one thing that you can use to keep your hair healthy, to keep your hair intact. So this was about pre-shampoo or pre-shampoo treatments. You can also swear by oiling your hair a little, because oiling also strengthens your hairs. Do not over oil them. Just take like a pea-sized amount that you can in your hands, in your palms, and just work the product. Use it on your strands a little, and that will give your hair, specifically coconut oil. Coconut oil is something that will give nourishment to your hair. So you can do the same thing with coconut oil as well. Leave it for an hour or two and then you can wash your hair. Another big thing that helps your hair in getting back its nourishment is serums. So serums of all kinds. If you feel like the Live-On serum works good for you, use that. I've used Live-On serums for a very long time. I even have one which is the one for rough and dry hair, the purple one, which looks amazing, and that works amazing for my hair, specifically in winters when there's less frizziness and dryness in the less humidity in the environment. Humidity makes your hair a little frizzy and makes it look like it's a bunch of ghosla. So you don't want to look like that, I know. You can also include natural stuff or hair masks that you can use. There are two types of hair masks, one that is pre-shower treatment and one that is mid-shower treatment. So for pre-shower treatment, you can use things like aloe vera. I also try and use it once every month, or maybe once in 2 months, because it's a little taxing to cut the aloe vera, get the skin out of it and everything, the whole procedure. But yes, aloe vera does do wonders to your hair and to your skin as well. So that is one thing you can use. You can use an aloe vera hair mask. You can use a honey hair mask. You can use a yogurt hair mask, because yogurt is also a very good conditioning element and it also helps you condition your hair. So dahi, honey और aloe vera are 2-3 things जो आपको बहुत help करेगा in nourishing your hair. So this is all of what consists the pre-shower treatment. Now if you wanna fix things mid-shower, try and use a shampoo that is a color correcting shampoo or color protectant shampoo. So a shampoo like that will help you keep your hair color for longer periods of time than the rest of the shampoos which have more sulfates, because sulfate shampoos will strip down the color of your hair, which is not the natural color, and it will leave you looking like the way you were before faster. So if you want to keep the hair color for longer, आप कोई भी sulfate free shampoo use कर सकते हो या कोई भी color protectant shampoo use कर सकते हो. The next thing is a necessity. You always have to condition your hair. This is one step you cannot skip. अगर आप hair conditioner use नहीं करते हो on the strands of your hair is definitely gonna look frizzy, definitely look tangled, and it's not gonna look healthy at all. So conditioner is 100% a must in your shower routine. If you use conditioner, you will see immense results, and I just have nothing to say. Use conditioner. Yes, we're done with shampoo and conditioner. You can also use a hair mask every month, which is the mid-shower treatment that I'm talking about. For mid-shower treatments, you can use a hair mask like the one I use. I use the Tresemme Deep Smoothing Mask, and this is also a very good mask that I can recommend. It makes my hair the smoothest ever. Apart from this, I also use the one from Streaks, which is the Spa Nourishment. So this is something you can do every once a week, or you can also skip conditioner and use the deep smoothing mask in that place. That will also do wonders to you. Okay, we're done with shampoo, we're done with pre-wash treatment, and we're done with masks. Now we're left with post-shower treatments. So in post-shower treatments, you can include serums and leave-in conditioners in your routine. Good serums that I can recommend is the Live-On serum. There are 3 to 4 variants from the Live-On serum. The pink one, there's this purple one which is the anti-frizz treatment, and there's the red one which is for heat protectant. So if you're somebody who uses a lot of styling products, or you don't like to air dry your hair, or you like to use a hair dryer after the shower, so you can use the red one. That's a very good serum, and it also has a heat protectant, so that's going to be good for you. You can also use a heat protectant before drying your hair. That is something I can recommend, but I use the Live-On anti-frizz serum, and this is really, really good. This works really well for my hair. This is something I use when my hair is half dry, it's just damp. That's when I use this serum. It makes it feel less frizz-free, and I can just run my fingers through my hair. So that is a difference I've seen. Apart from this, I also use the Live-On serum, the L'Oreal serum, my bad, the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, and you must have heard wonders about this. The entire segment of girls who are into hair care are going gaga over this, and they're not wrong. This is the best hair serum that you can invest in. This is also, I feel like, a dupe of the Kerastase serum. I haven't tried that, so I can't vouch for it, but yeah, it looks like it. And I think I'm almost finished with it. Only like 1/4 of the percentage is left. So yes, this serum and the Live-On one is something you can swear by if you are into serums. And for last is for the leave-in conditioner. If you're somebody who is into leave-in conditioners and you like putting something when you're out of the shower, if your hair is damp, you can use something like the L'Oreal Dream Lengths. This is the no haircut cream variant, and this acts exactly like a leave-in conditioner, and it has a very creamy base and very nice smell also, I must say. So this is specifically for split ends and rough hair and dull hair and long damaged hair. So if you have hair that is the length of my hair or longer than this, you can opt for the no haircut cream, which is the leave-in conditioner. So yeah. Okay, one of the myths that I've heard for the longest time is that it is always good to air dry your hair, like, just come out of the wash, dry your hair and let them dry naturally. So that's the best way of doing it. That's what I've heard, but it's not entirely true. You can dry your hair with a styling tool, that is maybe a Dyson if you have that, or maybe a general hair drying tool. Any of the brands that you use, that's fine. Just use a heat protectant and keep your hair safe. Don't just keep drying or straightening your hair. That's what damages it. So continuous straightening, continuous curling with styling tools is what damages hair, and not just hair drying with those tools. So that's a myth that I've really come face to face in a long time. So yes, you can forego the fact that people tell you that only air drying is the key to having good hair. You can dry your hair with a hair dryer, and that's going to be completely fine. To have hair like this, so that your hair is colored, your hair is stylish, but it doesn't look dull or dry, and it feels nourished all the time. So yeah, these are some tips that you can try on, and like you guys have commented before, you can let me know in the comments something else you need a review on, something else you need my comment on, or some other video that is more educational to you. So I'll keep tabs on the comment and let me know what else you want to watch. Thanks for watching, and keep liking, subscribing and sharing. Bye bye. Yes, that was it with the list of products that I wanted to mention. I think I've listed literally everything that comes to my mind right now, and I've listed everything that's gonna help you out. So let me know how you liked the video, whether it was useful to you or not, and